Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. We have already talked about regular verbs in the present tense. But unfortunately, there are also irregular verbs in German language. And that is the topic for today. I use the color red for everything what's irregular. If you are interested to see my complete course, just click on the first link in the description. But let's take a quick look back at how we conjugate regular verbs. Our example verb was kommen, which means to come, and it is conjugated as follows. Ich komme. Du kommst. Sie kommt. Wir kommen. Ihr kommt. Sie kommen. Now let's look at an irregular verb. Sprechen, to speak, is irregular, and that means that the root of the verb changes and here the E becomes an I. But interestingly, not all forms are irregular. The first person singular is regular. Ich spreche. Here is our example, and we use the regular green background. Ich spreche Deutsch. I speak German. The second person singular, on the other hand, is irregular. And that's why our background color changes. To remind us of the use of that. So, du sprichst. Du sprichst Deutsch. You speak German. The third person singular is also irregular. Spricht. Spricht Deutsch. He speaks German. Es spricht Deutsch. It speaks German. Sie spricht Deutsch. She speaks German. Fortunately, the plural is again completely regular. Wir sprechen Deutsch. We speak German. Ihr sprecht Deutsch. You all speak German. Sie sprechen Deutsch. They speak German. Sie sprechen Deutsch. You, formal way, speak German. Sie sprechen Deutsch. You all, the formal way, speak German. But there's another group of irregular verbs. Here, the root changes from an E to IE. For example, in the verb sehen, to see. But also here, the same scheme. The first form is regular. Ich sehe das Haus. I see the house. The second and third person of singular is again irregular. Du siehst das Haus. You see the house. Sieht das Haus. He sees the house. Es sieht das Haus. It sees the house. Sie sieht das Haus. She sees the house. And the plural again is regular. Wir sehen das Haus. We see the house. Ihr seht das Haus. You all see the house. Sie sehen das Haus. They see the house. Sie sehen das Haus. You, formal, see the house. Sie sehen das Haus. You all, formal, see the house. And there's a third group. Here the A changes to an A umlaut. And everything follows the old scheme. Ich schlafe im Bett. I sleep in the bed. Du schläfst im Bett. You sleep in the bed. Er schläft im Bett. He sleeps in the bed. Es schläft im Bett. It sleeps in the bed. Sie schläft im Bett. She sleeps in the bed. Wir schlafen im Bett. We sleep in the bed. Ihr schlaft Ihr schlaft im Bett. You all sleep in the bed. Sie schlafen im Bett. They sleep in the bed. Sie schlafen im Bett. You, formal, sleep in the bed. Sie schlafen im Bett. You all, formal, sleep in the bed. These are our 3 groups of irregular verbs, and usually an irregular verb is one of those 3 groups. In my course, the color red will help you remember this. And whether regular or not, the endings are always the same. So remember, est, ten, ten. So now you know how to handle the irregular verbs in German. That's all for now. And I look forward to see you again in our next video. And that you don't miss anything, please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and thank you very much for watching.